My name is Ieuan Wyn Jones. I'm the Assembly Member for Ynys Môn, and it's been a great privilege to serve the island here in the National Assembly since 1999, and prior to that I had the honour and privilege of representing the island in Westminster since 1987. The island, of course, is unique. It's the only island that sends a representative to the Assembly. It's a wonderful island, has market towns like Llangefni and Amlwch, and obviously the port town of Holyhead. The main industries, apart from Ieuan Nuclear Power Station, are mainly tourism and agriculture, and of course the majority of people on the island speak Welsh as their first language. It's been a great honour, as I say, to represent the island here in the Assembly, and it was a great honour to lead my party into government in 2007, where we had an opportunity to put into practice many of the things that I'd been wanting to do since I'd been elected way back in 1987 as a very young MP. One of the main things that we did whilst we were in government was to secure a referendum for lawmaking powers for the Assembly, which is now starting in this term. I have two constituency offices, one in Llangefni and the other in Holyhead, and constituents can reach me either by coming to the offices to my regular surgeries, or to write to me, or, as often happens these days, to email me. And people are welcome to come to meet me to discuss any of the issues that are concerning them, because I think it is the responsibility of every Assembly member to be accessible to their constituents in this way.
The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.